we are approaching the hill over there that's called Suurivaara. The place caught my interest because I read from some source that it used to be called, or I assume this is the one that used to be called Lapinvaara, which may refer to earlier Laplander activity in some ways. So I'm here to see what can be found here. This over here is Vaaralahti, which is the nearest waterway to Viekijärvi and all the way to Pielinen and all the way to America, if you please. So let's see if anyone lived in Suurivaara and if they left anything behind for me to find. Finally I found the path. Goody, that way. Beautiful, just beautiful arrangement here. That heap of rocks was shown on the map. It does stand out a little bit. I'll go and see it. Well, impressive but not made by humans. Way too heavy rocks to lift here. It did occur to me that these rocks are kind of smooth coastline that we have here. Some very ancient coastline. Anyways, if the waterline was here, then let's see what's higher up. This looks interesting. Again, I dare not go very far to fondle the place because there may be adders. Sunny rock sides like this with a lot of holes are just perfect for them. What a nice view if the forest was not growing there. The landowner told me that you can see very far from here, or at least you were used to before the forest grew. I don't doubt him one bit. Listen. You hear that? That's the sound of ants. Took a while, but I did find the cliff. Only I need to get on the other side to see the rock itself. Oh well. Let's go then. There it is. Doesn't really look like potential place for rock paintings or anything like that, but I'll have a closer look anyway. Very lovely colors. Just look at that. Very lovely colors. Ooh. Oh. Oh, this is lovely. Very nice little shelter place here. Looks like somebody's having camp here. And why not? Why not indeed? Let's see, does this help? Does this help at all? No. Not sure how deep it goes. The walls seem to be of some kind of quartz. I haven't seen this kind of rock anywhere else around here. It's mostly been just grey granite or red granite so far. This seems like this has some more crystal quality to it, which is interesting. Anyhow, this looks like it might have been made. And probably quite recently, so nothing ancient, I don't think. Interesting anyway. Oh, doesn't seem to work. I guess I'm not going to do any metal detecting here. At least not this time. Nope, 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 nope. Load. Could help. I don't want to use that mode. Oh. Oh, little lizard. Can you spot a little lizard? So, no metal detecting this time. As you can see, it's crazy. Totally crazy. Oh well. I just have to continue my investigations on based on my intuition. That's totally fine. Oh, how beautiful, beautiful. I love this blue color of this Finnish granite that we have around here. A lot of little holes, like cave-like holes here. I didn't see these marked on the map, which is interesting. Usually they tend to mark any hole that's bigger than a fist on a map as a cave, when I don't think it's a cave at all. But some of these I might even consider caves by that standard. Yeah, you could go in there. If I was a geologist, I could say something about this rock here, but because I'm not, I just have to admire it and wonder about it. But it's very, I would say, it's very alive. It has like the feeling like it's moving, it's pushing on the layers and then breaking all the time. Nyt ollaan Suuressa Vaarassa. Eli lähestytään vaaran lakea. Suurenvaaran laella. Oikein somaa kuusimetsä täällä kasvaa. Ei ole raivattu vähän aikaan. Sammal rehottaa mukavasti. Vähän on kuiva nyt kevään jäljiltä, mutta oikein kaunista täällä on. Ja siinä näköjään Kukkulan kuningatar varmaan asuu tässä. Kova kiire on näilläkin. Ei täältä näy kauheasti myrskytuhojakaan eikä mitään lumivaurioita puustossa, että ihan tämä on kunnossa. Yeah, there is this large rock on the very middle of the hill, but I don't really think there is anything very special about it. It's just there. Okay, time to sum it up. As I stand here on the very top of the hill on this pedestal rock. Very nice to be here. So, yeah, very nice to be here. That's about it. I didn't find anything particularly noteworthy, to be honest. I was hoping to find the ruins of Lapland, or Lapinrauniot as they are called in Finnish. That would have been very cool, but I didn't find anything of the kind. What vibes did I get about this place? Nothing really noteworthy either. It's generally I feel very happy to be here. That's about it. Sun is shining, and that might affect my vibe counter as well. So the only noteworthy thing that really caught my attention was that like I mentioned before about the rock, like it seems to be on the move. That's kind of what comes to mind. So the hill is on the move. That's what I'd say about that kind of vibes I got. The hill is on the move. Now something caught my eye in this beautiful view over there. Look. You see that? A very remarkable looking rock formation there. I might just yet go over and have a closer look. There are also some rocks situated here. They may not be remarkable, but you never know. I might look around a little bit more and then head over there. There is that rock. The cliff. I think that's somehow remarkable. Not sure how, but I feel it is. Is it just me, or does this rock look a little bit like a fish of some kind? I think it looks a little bit like a fish. It's very flat on this side. And the nose is pointing pretty directly towards the cliff that is over there. I don't know if there's a connection, but that's what I see. My little friend here. Oh, you really... He's not too worried. Go on. Go on. Jump. Come on. Jump. I can keep you hanging on. There you go. Have a nice journey. Dang, I should have brought them here. Okay, here we are. Closer to the cliff that we saw from over there. Yep. So, I'll have a closer look at this. Just need to be quiet and careful to not disturb people who live behind this thing. But they won't be disturbed. Nope, they won't. I have to admit I'm a little bit disappointed. It looked more impressive from afar. It looks pretty normal, I think. The place is very happily situated though. There seems to be a lot of these. Are these like these lines in the rock? It's like either it's worn out to that shape, or it's just or it's some kind of old fossil shoreline or whatever. But there seems to be quite a lot of these here, so maybe it is possible that somebody in the past found it very remarkable. At least I think it's cool. Okay, apart from those figures in the stone or lines or whatever they are, those things, apart from those, I didn't really find anything that would strike my eye as anything unusual or remarkable, but it's a nice place and a very nice view. And I'm going home. Bye bye.